I kinda did a thing. Hey everybody, my name's Amanda. I'm kinda new here. Notice there's a theme when I do that? Okay, so anyway, over the last few months, I've been saying, hey, let's be better consumers. Let's look at our stuff and say, do we really need that? Well, then we got the 20% off coupon at Ulta. And I didn't really need it, but I bought it anyway. And then they sent me a second one, so that stuff's coming too. Okay, so the first thing I have to make, this isn't necessarily a terrible idea, probably not the best. You see, when I canceled BoxyCharm, I cashed in all my charms, all my points that I have earned from reviewing stuff and whatever for the last year. And I wanted a Z palette, but I was cheap and I didn't want to pay cash for the Z palette. So I didn't really pay cash, but they sent me this. Now, it's essentially a Z palette. See? Bam. But it came with 6 singles from Ofra. Right here, those are the 6 it came with. These are other singles. So, yeah, these, and then these are the other singles I had, and that one too. And I'm wearing the majority of it on my eyes. I did mix in some of this blue. But, yeah, so, yay, I did a thing. But it only cost me $4 for shipping. And then they also sent me, and I was like, what the heck? I didn't even know about this. A Becca highlighter in the color Rose Quartz, or bronzed amber. Here it is. Now, it is that color. I don't know, can you see it? But I'm going to put it on because I haven't used it yet. Kind of an amber colored highlight, but and it's Becca, so I'm a fan. So those are my first 2 things, not necessarily being a dumb consumer, except for, you know, Z palettes are on sale at Ulta often. Buy one, get one half off, and they're only like 20 bucks. So I could have been smarter, but I only paid $4 out of pocket. That's what I'm telling myself. And here's what I got with my 20% off. But here's what I did. I got the Urban Decay Hex Remedy set, which is it's 5 eyeliners. Which, if you're not going to use a whole eyeliner, that's great. I wanted to try the Makeup Revolution not concealer foundation, so we bought that. I did get some Super Shock shadows. So Lace is like a blue purple color, and I've never used a Super Shock shadow, so we'll try it. And then this one is an ultra glitter in the color Whittle. Can you see? Here's both. And my thumbnails. Okay, there we go. I also got the ColourPop Lippy Sticks in the Got a Minute set, and that comes with the color Brink, Daydream, and Gold Digger. And I'm just going to show you guys the back of the box because I haven't opened it yet. Obviously, I literally just opened the shipping container. And I got 2 other things. I got the Too Faced Christmas set, and that has, well, pumpkin spice, sugar cookie, cinnamon bear, hot buttered rum, and $25 of my money, our money, is there. So, and I also bought Gingerbread Girl at Ulta because, yeah, I wanted it. Why else would I buy it, right? Okay, and my waterproof mascara I like. It's the Hydro Boost from Neutrogena for my bottom lashes. And I haven't put on any mascara yet, so there's that. Needs to be done. But hey guys. Oh, and then I did one more thing at Sephora. I got Bite Beauty. I really wanted to try it. And I haven't used it yet. It's a mini amuse-bouche lipstick. It's in the color Pepper. It has the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. It was like 15 bucks. It was by the minis, cash register, and where I live, everything at the only Sephora we have is in the Pennies, and well, I wanted like 30 things. I narrowed it down to one. So, yay! And pants. I bought pants because we were inside of JCPenney's. Wait a minute. Did you know that I also have a vlog channel? You know, basic everyday stuff. We're gonna, where I'm going to do fitness things. What I'm gonna do. Fitness challenges. Like, cause I can. And we have 20 years of crap in our house. I think it's time to go through it. What do you think? Yeah, so if you like what you see here, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. So, wait, real quick question. What kind of things, like old palettes from the last 2 years, would you guys like to see looks of? Because, you know, we might as well use our stuff. Alright, we'll talk to you later. Bye! Like, because I just got these. See? I got the collarbone thing.